How to fix Shein payment failed. So I'm going to show you a few methods that you can use. For the first one, you want to click on me in the bottom right corner after you have loaded up the Shein app, and then click on the gear icon in the top right corner this time. So from here you will see clear cache. Just click on clear cache and select yes. Now after we have done this, see if that fixes your payment failed issue. If it still doesn't, then what we can do is go to our phone settings here, and you will just scroll down and search for offload, and you want to find offload unused apps, just like that if you're using an iPhone, and we will scroll down until we see the Shein app here. So just show all, and you want to find Shein, okay, just like that, and you want to select offload app. After you have offloaded the application, you want to click on reinstall. Now this is going to take a little bit of time, but it is just going to make sure that your Shein app is working correctly. And after this has been reinstalled, I'll show you the last method. So right here, we'll just go and open up Shein, just like that. And we will go and verify our payment method. So for example, if you are using a credit card, you want to remove the card itself and then re-add the credit or debit card which you're using to make Shein purchases. So basically just verify your info, and that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.